And it's not clickbait. I'm not trying to sell anything that it's a lie. I'm not a course seller or a mentorship seller. In this case, the potential of algo trading is real. Even if you only base your system or your model in pure probabilities, the chances of having high or at least positive returns with algos are at least 50-50. And in manual trading, you will realize that not even the best traders have more than that 50% win rate. So even bad EAs like this that I'm just testing on the run, it has a little bit PV, very low. They have a very good understanding of the market and very balanced DD based also in the return. So let's just keep checking. For example, the other EA that we already break down, it's 1 and 2, like 14 trades, 100% win rate. The potential is very high with the trading. I myself with personal EAs, long term, in short term with accounts, I have achieved some very good results, all based in the risk handle I can take and also in the code I'm running, because not everything is suited for this type of trading. For example, this 57% is very fast in very few days. So this type of trading is you need to be versatile, you need to adapt to the market, you have to maybe not have a knowledge of the market. Preventing, for example, news trading is one of the best risk mitigations, and it's very simple. Anyone can do it, even another EA can do it for you. So that and not using fixed stop loss and TPs is also a very good thing to avoid linear or bad results, because really the issue with humans is by nature we are greedy or we have emotions, you know. We can also be lazy or don't really have time to trade all the time. Well, algos simply can. So they will do basically whatever you tell. You just need to be smart enough to know how to handle the situations and the markets. And I have a very good understanding about Forex and especially xauusd. So I think I'm able to produce systems even from scratch or from coders that really don't have the same view as I can work with their EAs, because I work with codes that the same coders share, but they made them work with another pair or they didn't really work for them. So one thing is to code and another thing is to test or back test with trading understanding, you know, because if trading was easy or algo trading was also that easy, every coder in the world will be printing money, right? Because there's of course better coders than me, a lot of coders that are better than me. But the difference is how deep you understand the market and how deep you understand what you're trading and what you want to do, you know? So that's the key expertise in having systems that can work at least 50-50 to more, or systems that will simply blow the account like linear martingales or lazy manual strategies. Like every system can work, I'm not judging anyone, but I'm telling also every system can fail, as anyone has potential to level up the trading that they do already with algo trading. Like that's just facts. Like using algos are in every aspect more advanced trading than anything else. And just the results, like I can have 88% win rate EAs all the time just because of the understanding. Like you just need to have good codes that can replicate what you want in the market. It's not that the EA will do the magic for you. That's just lazy. That's nothing near the reality. And if it was, again, so simple to just create AI models that trade the market and predict whatever it's going to happen, well, we will discover what really the humans to start, because the market is a natural algorithm moved by too many factors, and a lot of them it's simply not, or it's impossible to control. And just to give you an example, something catastrophic, COVID. Tell me if someone planned that, or well, not entering in the theory aspect, like I meant in market aspect, like no one expected that the economy will tank that for that long, or all the consequences. So really, there's no model that can do that, and it will take forever to train with today's technology. So just focus on the price action, and to keep it simple, don't use too many indicators or too many execution triggers before you have a model that you can really backtest. Because also remember that when you test or backtest manual, you only know what your eye is seeing and what you can manually model, and you can go as far as you possibly can. But with computers, you can run like, this is very, very, very old thinking to still be using manual methods to process data. Like we are we're in 2024, so this is even rusty to just do it with the strategy tester. Imagine doing with trading view and just one chart. Like everyone needs to level up, and coding is first thing, that not learning itself, but at least getting strategies coded, because it's a level up in every way.